If the Photos app in your iMac does not show the photos that are present in the gallery of your iPhone when you connect to your iMac, then let us see what to do. Right now, the Photos app in my iMac has detected my iPhone, but it does not show the photos. So the first thing that you have to do is you will close this photo application. Also, remove the USB-C cable from your iPhone. Then what you do is, before opening the Photos app, at first connect your iPhone to the iMac using USB-C cable. Then unlock your iPhone. Then open the Photos application. Your iPhone will be detected. Click on iPhone and it says please unlock your iPhone. So unlock the iPhone. So once you have unlocked the iPhone, then you will see that the iPhone will detect the photos that are present in your iPhone. Now in some cases you may be asked to trust this computer. Now in some cases you might see that the iMac will ask your iPhone to let the iMac access the photos and videos present in the iPhone. So in that case you have to allow the permission for iMac to access photos and videos.